Combi Boilers Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global combi boilers market size will be $20,154.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America combi boilers market size of $8,061.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe combi boilers market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $6,046.26 million. Asia Pacific combi boilers market size of $4,635.47 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America combi boilers market size of $1,007.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa combi boilers market size of $403.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.